We moved across the country to Naples, Florida, and we got there. It was a new experience. We were so excited to be going there and settling down. And anyway, we were doing a walkthrough on our house, and that on September 11th, when the planes crashed into the Twin Towers. And I remember, of course, as with the rest of the nation, just wondering, holy cow, what just happened? What's happening to us? And all of a sudden the excitement and everything was all put on hold. And I remember wondering what it meant for my husband's new job, if he had it still. We didn't know. We just purchased this brand new house, the responsibility of that. And that, of course, with everybody else, we felt like we should, move ahead. And we got our house we were moving in that next day. And Tropical Storm Gabriella came in, and it was this horrible storm, and all these people came and helped us move in that we didn't even know, we had never met, and they took all their time and they helped us move everything in amid this storm. And I learned later that one of the men that was there helping us, his own home was being flooded at the time he was over helping us. And there are people that we'll always love and be in touch with to this day, but I'm grateful for their help and for their example.